What's wrong, sugar? Why do you get so mad when I sneeze? Huh? And then you sneeze. I didn't get mad when you sneezed.